How you're going to get your jaw around that. Is 400 grams of meat too much for one burger? Let's find out. The quad burger, full of flavour and full of meat. This thing will clog your arteries and push your cholesterol through the roof. But the entire time, it's going to stay moist. Smut. Oh. Spoiler alert. Yes, it is. But that's never stopped us before. This is what's needed per burger. So just multiply it for how many burgers you want to make. And as always, the meat supplied in this video was thrown my way from Mick out at Gippsland Premium Meats. You'll need 100 grams of beef, pork, lamb and chicken mince, 4 slices of cheddar cheese, 1 burger bun, mayo, ketchup and mustard, kosher salt and olive oil. Combining 4 animals into one meal technically makes you a necromancer. Today I'm using a flat top grill because we need a flat surface to smash these burgers. Turn the liquid charcoal onto high and we're going to let that hot plate warm up for 10 minutes. And you'll know when it's ready because I'll be cooking burgers on it. But if you're still unsure, if your barbecue doesn't hiss at you like a snake with anger issues, it's not hot enough yet. Today's cook will only take around 2 to 3 minutes. Or for those of you who follow my beer timer, that's a 1 beer cook. Come on, you can't get better than that. A beer in 2 to 3 minutes. Oh! Technically, this is the fastest way to turn meat into happiness. Once the hot plate is sizzling hot, add some oil and then place the balls of meat on the griddle. And add a good pinch of salt to each one. And then we're going to smash them all down nice and flat. Now the trick to knowing when to flip a smash burger is when you see fluid coming through. So we can flip them all and add a slice of cheese to each one. And it's time to toast our buns. Not too long, just a quick browning. Your bun should toast, not cremate. This isn't a Viking funeral. While the burgers are finishing up, we can make the easiest burger sauce available. Grab 1 squeezy bottle, and into that you want to add 1/4 cup of mayo and 1/4 cup of ketchup and a tablespoon of mustard. Just remember to shake it up first. And in that goes. And mix that up and enjoy. This sauce contains all 4 food groups: red, yellow, white and chaos. The burger buns can come off now. That's more than enough. It's time to build a burger. 1 burger bun, a chicken patty, a lamb patty, a pork patty and a beef patty. Let's just sauce that up like a pro. And pop a hat on it and wondering how you're going to get your jaw around that. This is not a burger. This is a meat skyscraper. You're going to need a hinged jaw or a small forklift to eat this. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more burger bonanzas. Cheers.